What is the difference between SEO and findability?
SEO stands for search engine optimization. Findability is the process of setting up your content to be included in search engines. SEO is the process of making your content appear higher on the page and more often in search engines. So you're optimizing your position or your relevance or your value to the search engine. But you can't optimize something until it's there. So findability is the first step to get it into the search engine catalog, and then you can uh, revise it and refine it over time so it performs
So if
better.
I'm gonna, excuse me, if I am going to start working on my findability, do I have to hire someone for SEO? Do I have to hire someone to work on it?
No, you do not. The first part of this is really understanding your content, your client, who you're looking for, who you're looking to connect with, and trying to find those relevant things so that you're serving helpful and useful content to them for what they need. And that is something that you're doing. You're creating content anyway for your business. So it's really just honing in on the connections and the language that you should be using in your content to make those connections first, and doing the writing and the inserting in the appropriate ways and formatting so that it'll show up in search engines. And I believe that's something everybody can do. It doesn't need any special. Obviously, if you don't have time to do it, learn what it is so that you know what you're asking for, and find someone to do the tasks for you, but understand it yourself, because it is really not difficult. It's plain and simple.